are working on the concept of organic farming. To facilitate organic farming, at Agri Qatar we are producing different categories of products. One is organic fertilizers from the organic origin, just as you know, it's from a plant or animal derived material. And the next category is biofertilizers. It's purely biological origin made of bacteria that is found in the soil to enhance the nutrition of your growth media. When you are using chemical fertilizers, you have to reapply it in the same concentration every time you are starting a plant. But the advantage of biological fertilizer is once you are applying it in an year and managing it properly, they will survive in your soil, improving the life of your soil, and it will be helping your soil in a natural way by multiplying themselves. We are a part of Al Sulaitin Group, and our chairman, Mr. Abdullah Salim Al Sulaitin, he is a person who has dedicated his whole life towards agriculture, and he is taking lot of steps to improve the agriculture or greenery in Qatar. So as a part of him, we are also focusing on the agriculture sector and to improve the Qatar's greenery, and mainly we are concentrating that in terms of organic farming.
تسعى شركتنا إلى نشر الوعي أكثر بفائدة المنتجات العضوية والحيوية التي تحمي التربة والطبيعة والإنسان.
We are the only producers of biofertilizers in Qatar. You have so many products available in the Qatar market, but most of them are imported. But here in Qatar, we are trying our products in the Qatar soil, doing all the trials and producing it in our own laboratory and bring it out as the product. So it's a unique product made in Qatar for the regular use. Our organic products, it's already in the market with the major project companies of Qatar, especially the Al Bida Park, the Mia Park, Lusail Development Project. And in addition to that, they are already using it for the maintenance works also. And for the most of the landscaping projects in Qatar, we are a part of it directly or indirectly. All our products are available in all major outlets of Qatar, the hypermarkets, Lulu, Safari, Carrefour, Almira, everything. And our own hypermarket providing all these products at Salal Mohammed. And in addition to that, you can get all these products online via Rafiq, Talabat, etc.
والآن نحن في مرحلة تصدير الأسمدة العضوية والحيوية إلى دول الخليج الذين أبدوا إعجاب في جودة منتجاتنا.
We want to improve the life of the soil in Qatar, especially because after few years we really want a fertile soil in Qatar where people can do an agriculture without much supporting activities and just with their soil, so that we'll improve the soil texture and provide a green Qatar.
فلنساهم في جعل قطر خضراء. نحن نحب قطر.